right, we're starting here, kind of in the middle of a tune here. There's a moment where he says, out of the darkness and into the light. It's where the rehearsal video stops. I think that's how much they know. There's two dancers in the middle, and the flags kind of go over here. Some sort of form here. So I'm going to start it here. So they were still doing work. Darkness. The dancers continue to move this rotating idea, take the flags around, can take more counts. Dancers come down and they'll pick up the same flag here. So now we have a group of 6 flags here opposing the house. You can switch places here. You can do the same work here again that you did at page 3. Switch back. And then this just ripples out starting here. Pulling. Every 3 counts, someone leaves, and then this can be a ripple or an ensemble, and then that'll set up the next thing that I'll get done as soon as I can.